So, and welcome back to part three of this How to Use Tarot as Quickly as Possible series. In this video, we're going to cover the Tarot Routing Driver Run Sheet and how your drivers can use Tarot to make deliveries. So, quick recap. We've loaded our jobs from Gecko into Tarot and run our optimization. Advanced from the planning stage to the routing stage, and then made any manual changes using the timeline. We're ready to dispatch, so we've advanced to tracking, and from the tracking panel action bar, hit dispatch. There are a few ways you can get the information to your drivers. If they have logins, you can allocate the driver driving the run. You can send an SMS or an email, or you can download a run sheet PDF. This run sheet PDF has a QR code as well as manual delivery information and information about the job, ETAs, ETDs, etc. So, opening the Tarot Driver app and clicking Scan a Run Sheet, your drivers can scan the QR code to load run information. Once they've loaded the run information, they'll see, in this case, we have 5 items to deliver, to load 5 items to deliver, and no returns to bring back to the warehouse. So, click on the loading to enter the loading checklist. There is also barcode scanning available if your business uses barcodes. Here, for each delivery, I can see the items that need to be delivered. So, as I load these items onto my vehicle, I can check them off one by one. Once I've loaded 5 out of 5, I can head back and start route is now in orange and I'm ready to go. As a driver, I click Start Route. I can enter my start odometer reading, take any photo, signature, or comments as I leave the warehouse, and fill out any checklists or vehicle checks that are required. Once I start route, you'll see that the wheel icon has now appeared next to the driver, and the ETAs have all been updated. In the app, I can click on the address to open Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze, or my favorite navigation app and navigate me from my current location to the delivery address. Once I arrive, I can enter the job, click to unload, mark the items as unloaded as I bring them off my vehicle, back, capture customer acceptance, and then add any proof of delivery information. In this case, we've specified that a signature is required, but this is completely controllable by your organization and your business in the Tarot admin panel. So, adding a photo, adding a signature, and then we'll mark the job as successful. Back in Tarot, you can see the tick has come next to the successful job, the proof of delivery time has been recorded, and the ETAs have been updated for subsequent jobs. I can now open proofs by right-clicking on the job, and I can see the images, the signature, and download a proof of delivery information. And that's it. That's how a driver can make a delivery. Super simple. From here, he can navigate to the rest of his deliveries before finally hitting close route once everything's delivered at the end. Thanks.